guys, welcome back to The Crazy Cousins, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a bow, like a pink bow, like a hair bow. And I'm really excited to show you. So here are all the supplies that you will need. So first of all, you will need some paper. I just stubbed my toe. That was a bad step. I got my paper and I'm using a clipboard because there's little bumps on my table, like these stops where it goes to another piece of wood. Like see, my clipboard stops. So I'm using this clipboard. And the next thing you'll need is you'll need some pencils. So these are just like the pencils that are like inside, like the lead is inside these cool plastic things. You can use wooden pencils either way, but you just need pencils. And also I'm using the Mondo Llama sharpened colored pencils. You can use any kind of colored pencils. These are only 50 cents at Target, so I'm using these. And yeah, you'll need colored pencils. And then you can get started. So I'm gonna draw it, and then I'll show you what you're supposed to do. So like I'm gonna draw it like without y'all seeing, and then I'll show you. So I'll be like, draw a line here, and then draw here, and draw here, and draw here. Okay, so that is what we're gonna do. So my first drawing is gonna start like this. So it's gonna go. So this is it at before, and here. So what you're gonna do now is you draw a little, so you see how the sides are curved right there and not like pointed like that. So it's not a normal square, it's a curved square. And that will be your middle, so you can draw that. And you can pause the video at any point. Yeah, you can pause the video at any point. You can do it this way, you can start drawing this way, like the paper this way or this way. I don't really care, but I'm drawing it this way because I made a mistake. I was going to draw it this way. So if you're a beginner, you should probably draw like this. But that's what it's supposed to look like. And make sure, as you can see right there, it's like really like vintage kind of. So like you can see the little ends of the points. You're supposed to. So try to make it as realistic as you can. Or you can just draw it normally, like without the little fuzz thingy lookings. But yeah, and you can pause that at any time. And as you can see, I unboxed every single thing, so you should do that next. So now, since you paused the video, probably, I don't know, this is the before, and this is the before, and this is the. So what you're supposed to do on this one is, as you can see, I've been doing the before and after trick. It's just really easy. But what you do is you do a little wing right here for your bow. Little thingies. I'm only 8 years old and I can draw this good. It's really impressive. It's okay if it's a little uneven, but this is supposed to be for beginners, so it's okay if you mess up. And also, you're supposed to stop about by here, right there. And yeah, and if you haven't, I'll give you 30 seconds to like and subscribe, because about 14% of, I'm kidding, not 14, about 90% of you guys are watching and just scrolling by, or just like hitting off the video, and it's okay if you do, but I'd really like a like and a subscribe, because I really want to know how it feels to be famous. Literally. Okay. And if I know you, like if you're one of my friends and you're trying to draw this, that's just amazing. Thank you. like Avery. Yeah, you heard me. But yeah, and this is the before. Wait, this is the before. So as you can see, there's these little things. Like I made it like it was kind of like windy and kind of. You're supposed to add a little dangly things to the end, and that's what it looks like so far. And you can pause the video at any time I told you. So yeah, I'll give you a second to look at it. 4. So as you can see, I put those little. I know I keep on saying as you can see. As you can see, I put those little things right there for the holes. As you let me say it one more time. As you can see, I put those little holes right there, because that's the little part where you have, like, it's the little hole part of the bow. And now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna start adding details, and I'm gonna start like doing stuff, and it's gonna be really fun. And after, you're just gonna look so good. And either way, if you think it looks bad, it's your first time like on my channel doing it. So if it's a little hard, you can pick another channel. It's just I was talented with drawing and stuff, so it might be a little hard. So now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna add a little bit of my detail. So this is the before. So 5, 6, 7, 8, before. So I added one of those little things to the middle because it like just makes it look shiny and stuff. So now I'm gonna start coloring. So this is gonna be the biggest change ever. Let's hope this goes good. Before. So you can't really see the color as good, but I colored it in really good. And here's the real life bow I was trying to base it off of. It's a little strange, but I like it. I think it looks good. In real life, if you saw it, you'd really like it also. And I'm gonna write a couple words on it, like, so, yeah. So I'm gonna write a couple words on it. So, again, the last time, before. So it says Jesus loves you with a heart instead, and it has you at the bottom. So comment what you think about mine. And tell me if I missed anything that you would like on yours, because I can make another video. So yeah, I hope you like this video. Like and subscribe, and bye. Thanks for watching.